Hello unicorns! So in today's video I'm doing a very easy Halloween tutorial. This one is for Coraline. If you guys haven't seen that movie, then it's a great freaking movie and you have to watch it on the 31 days of Halloween. If you're watching this tutorial, you should definitely go watch it after this. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I do want to moisturize my face because we're feeling a little dry today, and I'm just using the Rose Gold Rescue. The next thing I want to do is my brows. So she has very defined brows. I'm going to try to do that little peak that she has. And I'm using my Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm going to try to make my brows a little bit thinner just because that's how she has them in the movie. And she kind of has like this squiggle. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other brow. Okay, now I'm going to try to clean them up just so that they look like more even to each other. Coraline always looks concerned, so I look mad weird. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer to clean that up. Honestly, on the eyes you don't need to do much because we are putting on buttons. So this is a extremely easy look. The only thing is that I don't know if you guys will find a way to put them on without having your eyes closed. So I'm going to do that at the very end. And I'm going to go ahead and continue doing my face makeup. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. So I just put on my concealer and I kind of want to set my face. Before I do that, I'm actually going to put on Freckles. And I'm just going to use my Precisely My Brow Pencil. Coraline does have a bunch of freckles like on her cheeks. I've never really done this before. I know it trended for like a whole while, but I never got to it. So she has all the way down to her eyes, so I'm going to keep it going all the way down there. And then what you want to do so it doesn't look too harsh is you want to pat it around. So you can either go in with a brush or just your finger. I'm going to go in with my finger. You can just tap it around like this just so it looks more natural, blends in a little bit more. You can even add some more if you want because I feel like that took away a lot from it. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more just because when I take pictures and stuff, I do want it to show up on camera. And I'm scared that if they're all very minimal, it won't show up as much. I want to go ahead and set my face. So I'm going to go ahead with my Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 220. I ordered some stuff from Sephora, but I'm in Florida and we're currently under hurricane watch or whatever. But I'm out here making tutorials because, you know, this is the one thing I live for. Now, because Coraline is a little girl, she doesn't have too much makeup on. She just has like a fresh face, probably nothing on her face, you know. She's just a cartoon, so who knows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some lipstick because she does have like this Lolita type of natural tint to her. So I think I really want to add a color like a reddish type of toned lipstick. And the way I'm going to contour is very minimal. I'm going to add a little bit of blush too. So I go in with my Hoola bronzer, this one right here. I've had this forever and it just doesn't run out. So very, very light hand. She barely has blush in this too. I'm trying to find pictures of her and stuff to see like more or less how she looks in different scenes. Her nose is snatched though, so we're about to do that. I'm putting a little bit here just to set the foundation, just because I didn't put any powder up here, but I'm actually doing the blue hair and everything. Coraline's nose is really, really defined, so I'm gonna try my best to achieve that. She has a very pointy nose, so I'm gonna try my best to achieve that. Coraline looks mad all the time. I'm like, same girl. Only child probs. I felt that. And now I'm gonna try and set it a little bit with my powder, just so it doesn't look too crazy. You know, like it's there, but I think that's snatched enough. So I'm using my Maybelline Seductress. This is a Super Stay Matte ink. So I've taken the executive decision to do one eye with the button, and then the other one I'll just put like a little bit of color to it. Let me tell you how Coraline always looks mad tired. Juvia's Place a Warrior 2 palettes, and I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. So I do want to go in with this brown one right here. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara on that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. These are the shortest lashes that I currently have, and they are called Shortcake by Saucy Lashes. I just want to do everything on this eye before I move on to putting the button, because my eye is gonna be closed and it's gonna be harder to look. So I'm actually gonna put on the Kylie lip gloss lipstick. Okay, I don't know why I can't put on lipstick today, but please just watch me struggle. Okay, that was a lot more complicated than I thought. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing her hair. So she kind of has this little wave here. I'm gonna try to do it as similar as possible. No, we are not using a wig. Who has the time or the coin? I'm not no famous YouTuber who can do that. Maybe in the future. I just sprayed some hair gel hairspray. This is a Got To Be Food freezing spray, and this is just gonna help me to get that little wave. Also to get all the little hairs together because they're annoying. So she kind of just has it hanging like this. That's exactly what I'm going to do. You guys know I suck at doing hair, so this is really hard for me to do currently. I'm gonna try my best, but you know. Okay, y'all, I'm super excited because I'm about to do my hair, and I already clipped it up kind of like how she has it, but we have hairspray. Woo! This is not showing up on my hair. Instant hair color, a lie. Okay, now it's starting to... Yes! It's doing it. Finally, Jesus. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to keep spraying my hair until it happens. Maybe when it dries, it'll look blue. I'm gonna go dry my hair. So I kind of fixed my problem. I added some dry shampoo and then I sprayed that. but it was like a lie in a bottle, because literally it has a girl with black hair, or guy, a girl with black hair and the blue streak. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my button finally. So I'm just using some lash glue to stick this onto my eyeball, literally. I'm actually gonna put it on my eye. This does look very creepy, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So I just realized that you can totally open your eye with this. It just does bother because it's pretty heavy. So she has this raincoat. I actually borrowed this from my coworker. And it's an actual yellow raincoat. I saw her come in with it to work and I was like, I need that. I don't care if you need it. Like, I need to take it. Sorry. And I just like, okay, bye. And she was like so creeped out by it. She was like, what do you need that for? I was like, I'm doing Coraline, like my makeup. She was like, oh, okay, that makes sense. Alright guys, this is it for today's look. This is an easy, kind of easy, it was very hard for me for some reason, but it is an easy Halloween makeup tutorial for Coraline the movie. I really encourage you guys to watch this movie, especially if you have little kids. It kind of teaches them what being grateful means and being thankful. So I really like this movie and I hope you guys like this look. And please don't forget to subscribe down below. It means the world to me when you guys subscribe and become a part of my unicorn fam. Like, what is that? And Halloween is my season, so I'm gonna be doing the 31 days of Halloween, so you'll be seeing one look per day. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at unicorn so you can see all of them in like a cute little layout or whatever. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video, which will appear right here.